Our company is known for matching our clients' needs and fulfilling them. Higher quality virtual assistants and mentoring our clients and VAs. Feeling supported, continuous education, bridging the gap, communicated to quick response time, guaranteed replacement, and additional training for the VA. Identify promise, results, appointments in social media, omnipresence, add additional lead sources, expand their reach, and grow their business. At Global Virtual Assistants, we are known for matching our clients' needs with higher quality virtual assistants, which make you feel supported by bridging the gap to expand your reach and grow your business. Global Virtual Assistants is the only business process outsourcing company that provides an alternative solution to today's real estate agent looking to leverage and maximize their time in the era of rising inflation and costs. Our core customer lives in North America and is struggling with higher labor costs and time restraints, which is leaving them feeling overwhelmed and searching. Our solution will make them feel in control of their time and relieved so that they can feel free to focus on driving more revenue. At Global Virtual Assistants, we are known for matching our clients' needs with a higher quality virtual assistant, which makes you feel supported by bridging the gap to expand your reach and grow your business.